everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I am doing a pack with me for the beach. I honestly can't remember the last time I did a pack with me. Like, I'm gonna search my channel. I think it's been a few years ago. I am by no means an expert packer, but I just thought this would be fun. If you guys are going on a trip soon, you can kind of pack with me. So I am in my closet right now, and a few staples that I have that I love to use is one, my suitcase. I got these from TJ Maxx a few years ago. It looks so high-end and luxury, but it's from TJ Maxx. If I can find it still, I will link it below. My other packing legit essentials are from Base. This is my favorite travel company. I've been purchasing her products. I got this makeup bag from there like 4 years ago, I want to say. So this is like the makeup bag I use. It's amazing. And then recently I've gotten, or actually last year, I got these packing cubes. So I've kind of lost a few of them, and you just label them. So like this one's labeled swim, and so I'll put all my swimsuits in here. I have one for workout clothes, daytime clothes, all of that. And then the other cool product I haven't gotten to use a lot is this airport or like airplane back seat organizer. So you just put it like this over the back of your seat, and it has zippers, it has pockets, and I love taking this with me on a plane, but I'm actually also going to be using it while I'm in the car with my family because we have about an 8-hour drive. Those are a few of my essentials. I will link them down below, but let's go ahead and open up my suitcase and get to packing. So I just went around my closet and kind of grabbed what I think I'm going to need, just the kind of the basics of what I always wear. My go-to swimsuits, go-to jean shorts, shoes, and then kind of went in and I got the fun stuff like the dresses and all of that. So I'm going to run through with you guys what these basics and what I think I'll need on this trip are. We're going to start out with swimsuits since this is a beach trip. You don't want to pack something that you know you're not going to wear because you don't always feel confident in it. Like, pack the things that you know make you feel good and are staples. So this Shein brown bikini, guys, this bikini was $12 total. It is my most worn bikini of the summer. I have Frankie's, I have nice stuff. This $12 one, I gotta say, Shein pulled through on this. I don't purchase a lot. I try not to purchase a lot from them, but if you're gonna get one bikini for the summer, this brown bikini, it covers everything. It has not worn out, and I've worn it probably 30 times already, and it's just phenomenal. So that one, I have more of like a fun printed halter top bikini. I have a simple like black and blue bikini, more of like a basic. I'll wear like when my other cute ones are wet. And then I always like to bring a one piece for days that are maybe a little bit more overcast. This one's my favorite one piece ever. It serves the purpose of a one piece. It's not like super low in the back. I hate one pieces that are still like super high cut and low in the back. This one's just gorgeous, gorgeous color. It is from L Space. I got it last year actually at the beach. So that's my favorite one piece. And then I bring cover-ups. So this has been my favorite little cover-up skirt you've probably seen on my Instagram this summer. It is from PacSun. And then this is my go-to dress. Had it since like sophomore year of high school. Go-to cover-up dress, makes me feel so Latina. I love it. It's from Billabong. So I love how I can wear this like to lunch. It's a little bit nicer, but I also can just throw it over a swimsuit. And I love white cover-ups. So I have these long pants cover-ups on your swimsuit. They're airy. They're not hot pants. All right, then I go in with like the basic clothes. Like, what am I always reaching for in my closet that I know I'll like? So we have a basic white tee. We have a basic black tank top. And then my new favorite tank top. This is just a basic brown nude tank top. And I also put a new one for me, blue tank top. So stuff that's just really easy to throw on with jean shorts, throw it over a swimsuit. I can wear it to the beach, or I can wear it to dinner or lunch, whatever it may be. Then I go in and I figure out what are the fun pieces that I want to wear. So like this little blouse is my absolute new favorite piece for summer, again from Princess Polly. Just throw this over any of the tank tops and denim shorts and you've got a cute outfit. And then a few dresses as well, because my family likes to go out to some nicer places to eat. So I have a more casual dinner dress, little blue flowers, ruffles, love it. And then a very nice dinner dress for like a high-end dinner. A fancy, expensive dinner. I'm obsessed with this dress. Where did I get it from? Oh, Lulu's. I got it last year and I've only been able to wear it once. And it just is gorgeous. It's like a midi dress with this blue applique. I love it. So we got the fancy dresses, we got the everyday stuff. Then I pack the loungewear, so I'll be wearing my Lululemon joggers, probably in the car, pack a pair of Nike shorts, and then I have to wash them, but I'll also bring like a workout set. My go-to denim shorts this year, they're phenomenal. They are Abercrombie, so good. These little white shorts I've been wearing nonstop from Princess Polly. I wear them to bed and just like around the house. Perfect for lounging around the beach house. And then for jeans, I am bringing these Princess Polly black wide jeans. They're like also cut out in the knees, a huge cutout. So they're not super hot actually. They're definitely like a fashion piece. Okay. Then I think about shoes. I will of course bring my flip-flops. Those are downstairs though. Shoes that are like an in-between fancy and casual. These are more like not wear to the beach, but wear to dinner, casual. A fancier pair of shoes that I can wear with like my nicer dresses. These are my new favorites for the summer from Steve Madden. Like how beautiful are those? I wear a pair of casual sneakers. So my Adidas Falcons have had these for like 3 years now. They're a go-to. And then I'll also bring my workout shoes for if I want to go on a walk or do something active, riding bikes, whatever. Then I go in and get my final little accessories. So I usually just bring one purse. I think it's going to be this one. Just cute little blue purse from Princess Polly. I'll go in and grab all my jewelry and stuff probably tomorrow. And then bring 2 baseball hats. I love wearing baseball hats on the beach. Just block the sun out of your eyes. And a headscarf. So those are the accessories I have picked out so far. It is the next day, but it is time to pack all of these toiletries, and I'm filming a reel to show you guys how I can fit all of these toiletries into my base makeup bag. Oh, I always pack feminine products just in case. Didn't include those in the reel, but I'm going to show you guys too. So ready? Let's put them away. Ta-da! It is all fitting in here. I love how many compartments there are. There's like 2 here. I keep my jewelry in this side one, since I normally throw my jewelry when I'm doing my makeup or washing my face. 1 here, these side holders for like chapsticks and blushes. There's a pocket here that I put my eyeshadow palettes in because they're thin. And then brushes here, and it does come with a mirror here, but I honestly lost it because I took it out a few months ago, but it's okay. I'm usually keeping this in a bathroom anyway where I have a mirror. And guys, these are my full-sized hair products that I'm bringing with me. Like, isn't that insane how I can just fit all of this in here? It's amazing. I am going to bring this extra bag for things like the feminine products and these full-size hair products that I literally just can't. I don't want to buy these mini travel size compartments for it. And a razor and sunscreen. Keeping all of that in this little Kula pouch. So those are all my toiletries with full-size products. Isn't that crazy? Also, I picked up a beach read today. Gotta fit this into the suitcase. It's part of the Bridgerton series. It is the 2nd book, so I know what's gonna come after I read this in the Netflix show, so I'm excited. I think I did it. I think we are done with time to spare. Let me give you guys a breakdown of the suitcase. I know this is labeled workout and swim, but this is actually just like normal everyday clothes. This is my swimwear and cover-ups, and then I have things like pajamas, jeans, jean shorts, t-shirts, nice dress, workout top here. I'm gonna be wearing my sneakers, which are my biggest shoe in the car tomorrow. Great tip, so you don't have to pack it. And packed all my smaller shoes like flip-flops, sandals. We got my beach bag in here. I have a lot of like really big beach bags, but since those are hard, they don't condense down. I bring a fabric one that condenses into my suitcase, 2 baseball caps, my sunscreen, pair of leggings, all of my underwear and bras are in this little bag here, so I can keep those separate. And then usually throughout the week, I just throw my dirty underwear in here so I can keep them separate once I'm there. Then toiletries, you just saw me pack that. Over here, excuse the dirty socks. I have purse I'm bringing. I will fill that up with my wallet tonight, and then my outfit for tomorrow laid out. So I think that is it. Oh, and then of course I bring my backpack, which has all of my electronics in it. So it has my iPad, planner, laptop, all my chargers, camera, all of that I throw in my backpack because I keep that with me all day and don't throw it in the back of the car. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this pack with me. If you liked it, it was kind of a different type of video, but let me know, and let me know if you are going on any cool trips. So that's the comment for today's video. Comment below if you are going on any cool trips this summer or have been on any cool trips, and look out for some content on my Instagram while I'm there. I'll be there when this video goes up, I think. So also, I just can't get over these nails. They're so freaking fun. All right, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace out.